What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back again with another video. So we finna take a look at the Monster Smart Lighting one more time. This is the last time, you guys. This is the last time. So I noticed a lot of people on my channel have been asking how to pair the lights. How to pair the lights so y'all can set up the color, set up the color scheme and things of that nature. As you can see, I got mine pink just to kind of match the decor of the room. And I'll kind of go around, I'll kind of pan a little bit, you know, little of this, little of that. So that's the Monster Smart Lighting. And like I said, a lot of people's asking how to pair it. How do you pair the light so that you can change the color and set the color scheme that you want? So I'm gonna try to go over that right now in this video, how I got my paired. Now in my home, I use Alexa. You can also use the Google Home setup. You could probably use the Apple Home Kit, but I use Alexa. I use Alexa. She's probably listening right now because I said her name, you know, a couple times. But anyways, so let's take a look at. Let me get the box right here. The Monster Smart Lighting. One more time. One more time. Let me get a thumbnail shot real quick. Okay. Little this, little that. I'll do. Gotta take the box, slam it down, let it know that you mean business. So let's take a look at inside the box. I think it came with instructions on how to pair it, you know, and I can say it pairs with Alexa. It's like you said, hey Google, works with Alexa, works with Siri. You see that right there, Siri shortcuts. And I think it's just a matter of downloading the Monster Smart Lighting app from the App Store if you got Apple, or the Google Play Store if you got Android. But I have Android, so the setup we're going to use is going to be using Android. So y'all already seen the unboxing and all that kind of stuff on my channel, but just for dramatic purposes, we're going to do it one more time. You know, you got to let it know you mean business, put some respect on it. So let's see here. There's a flap right here we got to open up. I'm trying to do all this with one hand until I get my tripod situation situated. You know, flip it over, open it out the box. So of course, you know, you got your AC adapter, typical plug. I hate that these are so big because they make it complicated to go into power strips and things like that. So we'll put that to the side. Right here is the actual LED strips, and that's about it. So there should be an instruction manual in here. Let me get this open real quick. Talk amongst yourselves, okay? Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so we got that open. Sorry if my hands look dry. I just got the shower, fresh from Amazon. You know what I'm saying? That soap, that soap got to me. But anyways, okay. So right here, we got this. That tells you, hey, scan here to install. You need to install that. Install the smart lighting. Install that. You know, I have it on video here. Scan that right there, or go to the Google Play Store if you have Android, or the App Store if you have iPhone. Install that. You need to get that installed. Put that to the side. Right here you have an instruction booklet, quick start guide. We'll come back to that. And then of course you got your 4 rolls of LED lights. Like, this is something serious right here for just $20 at Black Friday. Woo-wee. This is something serious. So we're gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna plug it up, and we're gonna go through the whole pairing process. Right here you got some like some screws and stuff to make it look nice and neat. As you can see how I got my setup, and I used the little thing right there. Yeah, because I didn't need no more cable for that extra adapter right there. Let me get closer. As you can see, that adapter is disconnected because I didn't need it. I just needed just that one piece, and it goes along the ceiling It goes all the way around the room, all the way. No issues at all. But this is like your typical bedroom size. And I just used that little cable, little strip right there just to make it look nice and neat. You want it to look presentable, right? So let me zoom back out. Sorry. So yeah, that's what this is for. It has 3M tape on the bottom, and it comes with screws and different little clips and stuff like that, because you want it to look neat. You want it to look professional. You don't want nothing looking tacky and ghetto and hood, and I'm not about that life. So we'll put that to the side. Let's take a look at the Monster booklet real quick. As you can see, it says setup, step 1, smart lighting. Go to the Play Store, install the app. Install the app, that's critical. Make sure you do that. And also make sure you plug it up to the wall. And like I said, we're gonna do all these steps step by step. I'm gonna do all this on this video to show everybody how to get it pairing. This page here is showing you how to connect the strips. You'll see like a little connector right there, that triangle needs to match, because when the when the strips are in motion, they need to be matched correctly, so that when it's doing the motion, like music lighting or any kind of somatic lighting, you want it to be connected correctly, or the color will be off sync and it just won't look right. So that's critical. Make sure those two triangles match up when you're joining your multiple rolls of cable. Make sure those triangles match up right there. That's critical. What else is there? That's probably it for that page. Let me see if I can go to the next one. Like I said, I'm doing all this with one hand, so bear with me. But we're gonna get through this. Then it's telling you how to peel the 3M tape so you can stick it to the wall. It's also telling you how to use the little nail clips if you want to nail it to the wall instead of using the sticky tape, because the 3M tape will peel paint off the wall. So if you have rentals insurance, or if you're trying to get your deposit back when you move out your home, that's going to be critical, because like I said, even for me, when I peel down these lights, it's probably going to peel the paint off as well. And when we move out, the rental people, they'll have to repaint the wall, because once I peel that off, it's going to peel the paint off. But anyways, keeping it moving, it's also telling you that this little device here in the middle, which is that piece right there behind the TV right there in the middle, it says it does power, it does modes, color scenes, you can reset/pair. That's the part people are having problems with. Long press and hold 8 seconds to reset device and to pair to your Wi-Fi network. So like I said, we finna do all of that. We're gonna do all of that. So all right, let's go to the next page. All right, and that's about it. So all right, so let me get this device plugged in. I'm gonna plug it to a random wall. This is gonna be just a little test subject, and of course I don't have another camera to record the complete setup, so I'm gonna have to do video record or screen record. I'm gonna have to screen record my phone doing the Monster Smart Light app and showing you guys how to pair. So stay tuned. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so yeah, my Galaxy S23 has screen record automatically built into the phone. So let's see here. We're gonna come over here. This is the App Store for Android, and you want to come to search, and you want to type in Monster Smart Lighting. It's right there, Monster Smart Lighting, and you want to install that app right there, Monster Smart Lighting. Even though mine says open, just because I already have it installed, install that right there. Install that. That's critical. How did DJ Khaled say? Major key. Yes. Install the Monster Smart Lighting app. All right, so we're gonna click open. and it says syncing. So right now, this is showing all of my previous devices that I already have. I already have Monster Smart Lighting in other rooms and things of that nature. So next, let's see here. If we want to click this plus up here, click this plus, and you want to click light product. And it's asking you, hey, is your smart lighting blinking? Is it in pairing mode? That blinking blue that we saw? So let me put mine back in pairing mode because it stopped. Hold the button down for 8 seconds. Pairing mode. And then you want to click yes, it is blinking. Before you start, allow access for location services, allow access for Bluetooth. It's probably going to use some of the Bluetooth signal to connect with your smart lighting LED strips, plus your location. All this technology out here, that's how it uses to connect or whatever. So click OK. It says we are using Bluetooth to start the pairing process with your smart lighting device. And yes, I get a notification on my phone that says pair with MLED30LS-D6A Bluetooth pairing request. Yes, I'm gonna click pair. It does a little loading process. Please wait. Now it's asking for a network for your Wi-Fi strips to join. In my home, I have my Wi-Fi network split between a 2G and a 5G network on one router, and then I also have my Spectrum main router, which does a combination of it. So let's see. I'm gonna click on, just for typical purposes, because this is what most people usually have, I'm gonna click on the Queen/RLD network. So let's click on that. And it's asking for my password. My password to my Wi-Fi network is already saved because I had already synced previous strips in the past. But this is where you would type in your Wi-Fi password to your home network. So type in your Wi-Fi password. You may have to look on the back of your router, or you may have to look on the back of your gateway. It depends on what kind of setup you have. So type that password in. That's the name of your Wi-Fi network. Well, the password to your Wi-Fi network. Click connect. Next, it says it may take a few minutes for your smart lighting device to connect to the internet. The LEDs will change color when connected. So now my LED strips are talking to the internet. They're pairing to my home network. They're just doing a whole little pairing process. Because yes, this is more than just a Bluetooth pairing. You have to get your LED strips connected to Wi-Fi. That allows it so that you can control your strips even when you're not at home. Connected to device, connected to network, completed registration. Bam. Just like that. And as you can see, personalize your device. The name of this strip. Yeah, it was a 100-foot strip. But for, YouTube purposes, let's just type in test pairing strips. And let's just leave a time zone Chicago just to keep it simple. Next. Device setup was successful. Finish. That's it. And as you can see, I'll also have a software update for the strips. Let's go ahead and do that. Update found. So let's do this update to my RGB strips, just so that they're working efficiently and they're lighting up correctly, they're dimming correctly, they're talking to Alexa and iPhone and Apple, they're talking to Google Home, they're talking to everything correctly. Let's make sure we do the software update to the LED strips. Let's do that right now. Just wait for it. Alright, software update complete. That's why there's a check mark. Alright, so let's see here. When we click on the strips, as you can see, there's different options. There's static, which is what I have mine on right now. That's why it's just solid pink. Then there's the dynamic section, and there's a do-it-yourself section where you can change the color or however you want to do it. But yeah, if you go to dynamic, pulse, rainbow, tracer, confetti, and that's it for the screen record. Let me switch it back to the actual LED strips. All right, so now we're back, and the strips, they're paired. I chose one of the color schemes under dynamic, and this is what it looks like. But of course, they're not on the wall yet because, you know, this is just a little test subject. I'm just trying to show you guys how to pair it, how to pair your RGB strips when you get them, when you pick them up. And that's how you do it. So just trying to keep it short and simple. I know this video is coming on about 10 to 15 minutes, but so just a recap on what I did. I took the strips out the box, plugged them up to the wall, went to this button right here, hold it down, hold this button down for 8 seconds. I'll do it again. I'm pressing it right now, holding, because it should revert back to the previous pairing process. Holding right there. When it's blue flashing like that, that means it's in pairing mode. Install the Smart Monster LED app. It's on the Google Play Store and it's on the App Store for iPhone. Install that app immediately. After that, once it's in pairing mode and you got the app installed, click the plus symbol. Make sure Bluetooth is on your phone. Make sure you also know your Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi that it's going to connect to. After that, click on your desired Wi-Fi connection, type in your Wi-Fi password, and then the app will automatically go through a whole pairing process and connect these strips to your Wi-Fi network in your home, because these strips have to be on Wi-Fi for you to be able to control the color scheme and all of that fancy stuff. So after you've done that, and you got to pair to your Wi-Fi network, and you got to pair to your phone on the Smart Monster Lighting app, in the event that you want to pair it to Alexa or Google Home or Apple HomeKit, you will then open those apps and you will see the title of those strips in the app, the Alexa app. You will see the title of these strips in the Alexa app. You'll also see the title of the strips in your Google Home and Apple HomeKit and all that stuff. So that's it. That's it, you guys. That's the pairing process for this right here, the Monster Smart Lighting LED strips. That's the pairing process. So if you found this video helpful, hit a like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know my slogan, it's your boy TechGeek RLD. Also follow me on YouTube Gaming, TechGeek Gaming. Follow me on Twitch. And you know what I'm saying, if y'all have any more questions, let me know. I'll be glad to help you guys. Just leave a comment in the description below. Leave a comment, all that stuff. So yeah, it's your boy TechGeek RLD. They know my slogan. They gonna put some respect on my name. All right, y'all.